In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save videos as draft in InVideo. If you've ever wondered how to keep your work in progress safe without publishing anything, this walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free. First, open the InVideo editor and start making your changes. Add your clips, adjust text, tweak transitions, work exactly as you normally would. The key thing to know is that InVideo automatically saves your progress while you edit. You don't need to hunt for a manual save button. Think of it like a safety net that quietly captures your updates as you go. As you're editing, keep an eye on the top bar of the editor. You'll see a status message that may say saving and then switch to saved or all changes saved. That message is your confirmation that your latest edits have been captured. If you've just made a big change, give it a moment to update to save before you leave the editor. It's a small pause that ensures everything you just did is stored as a draft. When you're done for now and ready to step away, head to the top left corner and click the InVideo logo. That's your exit back to the main dashboard. Don't worry, clicking the logo doesn't publish or export anything. It simply closes the editor and preserves your session, so your project stays safely in draft form. Back on your dashboard, go to the My Projects tab. That's where all your in-progress and saved work lives. You'll see your video listed there, along with details like when it was last edited. Because the platform autosaves, your project appears here as a draft without any extra steps on your part. When you're ready to keep going, click Edit on that project and you'll jump right back into the editor exactly where you left off. A quick recap to keep you confident. Make your edits in the InVideo editor, watch for the saved or all changes saved status at the top to confirm your progress. Click the logo to return to the dashboard and then find your project under My Projects whenever you're ready to resume. For the smoothest experience, maintain a stable internet connection so autosave can do its job, and try not to close your browser tab the instant after a big change. Wait for that saved confirmation first. That's all there is to it. With these simple checkpoints, you can confidently save videos as drafts in InVideo, step away anytime, and come back later to pick up right where you left off.